To fix microphone is not working in your Windows 10, try one of these three methods. Method 1. Open the Windows settings. To open it, right click on the start menu and from these options click on settings. You can open the Windows settings by simply clicking the Windows key and letter I together in your keyboard. Now in this page click on privacy and from the left hand side click on microphone, and now in the right hand side under the title allow apps to access your microphone, please make sure that this option is turned on. If it is turned off, turn it on. Then move down and from this list of applications, please make sure that the application with which you are going to use the microphone is turned on, and then move down and under this title turn these options also on. Now close this window and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, try the second method. To do it, right click on the sound icon in the taskbar. From these options, click on the first one, open sound settings. In this window, in the right hand side, click on this link sound control panel. Then this window will open. Here click on the second tab recording, and from this list find out the microphone you are using. Right click on it. If it is disabled, please enable it, and also right click once again on it and then click on properties. Now in this window click on the third tab levels. From here please set the level of microphone to its maximum, then click apply, then click OK. Click OK in this window. You have done it. Close this window and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, try the third method. To do it, type in the search box device manager as you can see on the screen, and then open the first result. Then this window will open. In this window, locate for the device named audio input and outputs. It is here. Please expand it. Now from here, right click on the driver of the microphone you are using. Right click on it and click on disable device from these options. Click yes in this confirmation window, and once again right click on the driver software. This time click on enable device. Now check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, once again right click on it and then click on update driver. Click on this option search automatically for drivers. If it shows that the best drivers are already installed, go back to the previous window and this time click on this second option, browse my computer for drivers. In the next window click on the second link here. Now from this list select one and click next. Okay, now it says that Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this window. By this method also you can fix your problem. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by iTech Tips.